How to Negotiate Like a Pro in Just 5 Easy Steps with Chris Voss. Chris Voss, a former FBI hostage negotiator, has transformed the way we think about negotiation through his book, Never Split the Difference. With a wealth of experience in high-stakes situations, Voss emphasizes the psychological aspects of negotiation and the importance of emotional understanding. Key concepts from Never Split the Difference include tactical empathy, recognizing and understanding the other party's emotions to create an advantageous position. Active listening, the art of truly hearing your counterpart to foster collaboration and trust. Mirroring and labeling, techniques for building rapport and navigating emotional landscapes during discussions. Mastering these negotiation techniques is essential not only for personal growth, but also for professional success. High-stakes negotiations can arise in various scenarios, whether you're discussing a salary raise, closing a business deal, or resolving conflicts. Developing strong negotiation skills allows individuals to effectively advocate for their interests while fostering positive relationships with others. Embracing these strategies can lead to more favorable outcomes and deeper connections in both personal and professional spheres. Negotiation is more than just a back-and-forth exchange. It's an essential skill that impacts our daily lives, from deciding on a family vacation destination to securing a promotion at work. Understanding negotiation psychology is crucial for achieving successful outcomes. Negotiation refers to the process of reaching an agreement through discussion and compromise. It plays a vital role in both personal and professional contexts, allowing individuals to resolve conflicts, reach agreements, and build relationships. Psychology greatly influences how negotiations unfold. Recognizing the psychological aspects can give negotiators an edge by helping them navigate complexities effectively. Cognitive biases influence our decision-making. Here are some common biases in negotiation. Anchoring bias. Relying too heavily on the first piece of information encountered the anchor when making decisions. Confirmation bias. Seeking out information that confirms existing beliefs while ignoring contradictory evidence. Loss aversion. Preferring to avoid losses rather than acquiring equivalent gains, leading to overly cautious behavior during negotiations. Being aware of these biases can enhance decision-making processes during negotiations. Creating an atmosphere conducive to negotiation involves emotional intelligence and understanding human behavior. Key components include empathy and trust. Establishing rapport encourages open communication. Information gathering. Understanding the needs and motivations of all parties helps in crafting mutually beneficial solutions. By leveraging negotiation psychology, one can navigate discussions with greater effectiveness, leading to agreements that satisfy all involved parties. Prepare with tactical empathy. Understanding emotions to gain an edge. Tactical empathy is a powerful concept that plays a crucial role in negotiations. It involves recognizing and understanding the emotions of your counterpart, not merely acknowledging their words, but truly grasping their feelings and perspectives. This emotional intelligence in negotiation allows you to connect on a deeper level, paving the way for more favorable outcomes. In negotiations, emotions often run high. By employing tactical empathy, you can build trust. When others feel understood, they are more likely to trust you. Trust fosters an environment conducive to open dialogue. Influence outcomes. Understanding the emotional drivers behind decisions helps you craft proposals that resonate with your counterpart's needs and desires. Mitigate conflict. Recognizing when emotions escalate can help you diffuse tension before it affects the negotiation process. Emotions can greatly impact decision-making. For instance, fear or anxiety may lead someone to rush into an unfavorable agreement, while confidence and security can open up possibilities for collaboration. By being attuned to these emotional states, you can navigate negotiations more effectively. Preparing with tactical empathy involves several actionable steps. Research your counterpart. Understand their background, motivations, and potential emotional triggers. This preparation arms you with insights that can shape your approach during negotiations. Practice active listening. Truly listening goes beyond hearing words. It requires paying attention to tone, body language, and emotional cues. Reflecting on what they say helps create a connection. Identify emotional cues. During conversations, observe nonverbal signals such as facial expressions or gestures. These cues often reveal underlying emotions that influence their stance. Use labeling techniques. Acknowledge feelings by labeling them aloud. Phrases like, "It seems like you're feeling frustrated," can validate their emotions and encourage openness in return. Prepare open-ended questions. Craft questions that invite your counterpart to share their thoughts and feelings freely. This strategy not only gathers valuable information, but also shows genuine interest in their perspective. Incorporating tactical empathy into your negotiation preparation leads to more meaningful interactions and ultimately better agreements. By fostering a deep understanding of emotions at play, negotiators are equipped to create win-win scenarios that benefit all parties involved. Using active listening, the power of truly hearing your counterpart. Effective negotiation hinges on understanding not just the words spoken, but the emotions and intentions behind them. Active listening serves as a cornerstone in this process, enabling negotiators to connect deeply with their counterparts.